Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Today we are unboxing the brand new iPads and iPad Pro. We have the iPad 10th generation in yellow, blue, pink, and silver, and the iPad Pro in silver as well. We are also going to be unboxing the iPad Magic Keyboard, as well as the Magic Keyboard Folio, which I'm very excited to show you guys. Of course, we have the matching smart folios in all the beautiful new colors, as well as the Apple Pencil and USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter. Without further ado, let's get to unboxing.
I'm most excited about the yellow and pink, so we're doing those first. The new iPad 10th generation actually has a 10.2-inch display, which is the largest display ever on an iPad model. This small but mighty machine has all-day battery life, up to 10 hours. It has the A14 Bionic chip, so you know it's going to be really fast. You can edit 4K videos, collaborate on big group projects together, and it's actually a 20% increase in performance from previous iPad models. I am stunned by the beauty of this pink iPad. Wow. I'm so happy that Apple moved the front-facing camera. It's now located along the landscape edge, which makes it so much easier when you're on video calls or FaceTimes because you know exactly where to look. It's right in the middle. The front camera has improved a lot, especially for low light, which makes your video calls a lot better, and it supports center stage. So basically, if you're moving around frame, the camera will follow you and zoom in and make sure it's always on you. Another thing to note is that the back camera actually shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, which is very impressive. If you're like me and you love listening to everything in spatial audio, these new iPads support spatial audio. This is great because it makes the listening experience that much better and makes your games come alive. If you plan on using your iPad for school or work, you absolutely need to get the Magic Keyboard Folio. What I love about this most is that it comes in two pieces. So they actually disconnect, and you can have one as the protective back panel, and the keyboard can actually flip backwards. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you don't want your keyboard to hit the back of your desk, you can just flip it around like that. Alternatively, you can just take off the whole keyboard part and just use the back part like this to prop up your iPad. Now we're going to unbox the Apple Pencil. This iPad supports Apple Pencil first generation. So if you already have that, you're in luck. All you'll need is a USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter, which I have here as well. I use my Apple Pencil every single day for marking up PDFs, writing down notes, and even editing my photos. If you're looking to get an iPad, especially if you're a student, I would definitely get the Apple Pencil as well. I love using it for notes every day. Honestly, it is my favorite thing ever.
All right, let's unbox all four of the brand new iPad Smart Folios. I'm most excited about the yellow, so let's do that one first. There we go. Also, before we keep going, have you seen my nails? I'm obsessed. These are the best nails I've ever had in my whole life. Okay, let's get to it. I know Apple puts a lot of time and effort into the colors they choose, and this sparks creativity and fun. I love it. Now, last but not least, we have the white one. This is just classic and elegant vibes. I'm more of a colorful girl, so I would probably go with the pink or yellow.
Look at how gorgeous they are. And now it's time to unbox the iPad Pro model. I have the 12.9-inch display, and there are actually 5.6 million pixels in this portable edge-to-edge display. This iPad Pro has a dual camera system, 5 studio quality microphones, and 4-speaker audio with Dolby Atmos. Your video quality, photo quality is gonna be absolute fire. You will also have a very comfortable viewing experience with the True Tone technology. The M2 chip enhances this iPad by making it even faster and more fluid performance, making it the actual fastest device of its kind. This iPad supports second generation Apple Pencil. I'm so excited about the hover feature. Basically, you can see exactly where your pencil will touch down on your display, which makes your writing and illustrations even more precise than it already is. You guys know how much I love my Magic keyboards. It is the perfect companion. As you can see, it has the beautiful floating design, which is gorgeous for on-the-go use. And the keys are backlit, which makes it fantastic for all types of lighting conditions.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe for more of my content. I'm very excited to start customizing my iPads. If you know me, you know I love customization, and I'm definitely going to match the iPad color to the aesthetic. That's going to be really fun videos for me to shoot. I'm also going to be filming and posting a video this week using my iPad as my only device for a day. I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts. I'm going to be doing all my emails, work, editing, texts, FaceTimes, everything from my iPad. So I feel like that's going to be really fun to film, edit, and for you guys to watch, so I'm really excited. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye!